Right, what's up, everybody? I wanted to show you a little bit about how to make drawings in Google Draw. This is for the sound through different states of matter. So I've got the table and a person, and I just wanted to show you how I made that and how you can do some other things. So I made this person just with some of these shapes. I found this smiley face and made a smiley face. Then I just kept finding other shapes. I think I used maybe this one. It doesn't really matter which one. Might have been a different one. This one's more like a t-shirt. And I think I'll make it a little bit shorter. And then something for the legs. Okay, cool. So, not super fancy. I think I want those legs behind, so I can actually click on it, go to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. Alright, that looks a little better. And then I made this hand here. So for that, I looked at a shape and I thought, okay, what could be the shoulder? I used this diamond before. I want to see what a heck pentagon would look like as a shoulder. Sure, that's not bad. Kind of weird. And then I'm going to add another shape. I think I'll just do a rectangle as an arm. Maybe too big. Kind of looks like a weird robot. Now here's something that could be really useful. Turning. So grab onto there and now I can turn it. Alright, so that's a little bit funny. I just did that kind of fast. Here's another thing. Once you make one, you can actually copy it. So I'm going to select all the pieces just by clicking and holding down the mouse, and then all of that first drawing are selected and I can move it around, but I can also make a copy. Edit, copy, edit, paste. So now I have two, and I'm just going to bring her right over here. She's going to be the partner. So then she's actually going to be the one who's listening. So I'm going to change her arm so that her arm is down to the side. Like this, because she's just listening. And then I'm going to try to tip her head onto the table. For that, I'm going to select all of her top. Just rotate that. Move her. Okay, so now she's listening. All right. So that's how I did that. Now I need to have a way to show the sound waves. I could look at my shapes. Maybe I could try something like this. They're going to be coming from her. And so then it's going, and maybe I'll go Control Copy, Control V. And then just Control C, Control V. That'll copy and paste. And then I'm going to select all of those, Control C, Control V, and then I can get 4 of them all at once. And so then that's like that. Now, I was also supposed to show in this the difference between going through the air. So this one's going through the table, right? And so I'd have to somehow also find a way to show it going through the air. And now, let me just finish this off too. Control C, Control V. Right there. And it gets to the ear. And then, let's see. Oh, I pretty much want the exact same picture. So I'm going to select that whole thing. Control C, Control V. Move it up here. And now I just have to make some changes. I'm going to delete every other one of these to kind of show that it's moving slower. It just doesn't transfer as easily. And then I'm going to tip her, if I can grab, back to standing up. Oops. And then I've got to move these sound waves. Maybe I'll tip those because they're going up to the ear. Too tipped. A little bit less. That looks pretty good to me. And I'm going to add one more thing. I'm going to add a shape like, I'm looking for something that could be knocking. This star. So that's going to be knocking right there. That's the knock, knock, knock. I'm going to change that to red so it really sticks out. Control copy, control paste. Add that down to there as well. Now I know what this picture is saying, but maybe somebody wouldn't know what it means. So I'm going to use the text box and I'm going to type it right in here. When sound moves through air, it has to vibrate molecules that are spread out. This makes sound move slower in air and not as loud. That up a little bit. And then I could just control paste, move this down here, and change what I said. When sound moves through solids, it I'm just editing what I said before, vibrates molecules that are close together. This makes sound move faster in solids, and the sound stays louder. Just going to bump this up a little bit more so it fits. And that's it. I think I'm going to leave this guy in here, and I think I'm going to say, do one of these call outs. And he's going to be saying, see if I double click in here. I can type. Hey, that looks fun. Can I have a try? Let's say have a turn. So that's how to do it with all shapes. Of course, I could have had a different strategy. I could use the scribble and maybe done some waves like this. I could show these waves as taller, which means louder, and these waves as shorter, which means quieter. And maybe I would add that to my explanation as well. So that's all there is. Don't forget to click that turn in button. Thanks for your questions. This was actually response. This video is a response from a student question. So I'm going to try to help you out with whatever you want. That's it, everybody. See you later.